Hello student, let's see the question number 2 for a reaction 2a plus b, it is giving a to b. The rate they have given student, how the rate is given here, rate is equal to k, that is the product of molar concentration of b and b, a and b square. K value they have given student, k, how much k gave 2.0 into 10 power minus 6 mole per meter square liter square second inverse. Calculate the initial rate of reaction. So they are asking rate of reaction when concentration of A is equal to 0.1 and B is equal to 0.2. So first of all you calculate the rate. So if you are writing the rate student, so K value they have given this value 2.0 into 10 power minus 6. A they have given 0.1. Here b square is there student. So b square 0.2 into 0.2. So how much you are going to get here student? It is coming 0.008 into 10 power minus 6. If you are writing the correct scientific figure student, 8.0 into 10 power minus 9. This will be what student? Mole per liter per second. This is the rate. First part of answer is very easy. Second, calculate the rate of reaction after A is reduced to 0.06. So rate when A is 0.06 mole per liter. We have to keep in mind this one. So let us see the remaining concentration of A. How much will be there? Initial is 0.1 and here is 0.06. It is the rate when concentration is 0.06. So remaining is 0.04. This is there. According to equation, you see, according to equation. So according to equation, 2a plus b giving a to b. So 2 mole A react with how much student? React with 1 mole B. Right. So 1 mole A react with how much student? React with 1 by 2 mole B. Therefore 0.04 mole A react with how much student? React with 1 by 2 into 0.04. So it is 0.02 mole B. So remaining concentration of B student. Remaining concentration of B. So how much is there student? Remaining concentration of B, initial minus 0, use 1. So this is 0.2 minus 0.02. So it is coming 0.18 mole per liter. Now rate when A reduced to how much student? 0.06. Question they ask na, calculate the rate of reaction after A reduced to 0.06. So rate is equal to this is K, right? Here will be the A and here is B square. So K value 2.0 into 10 power minus 6. A value, rate when A reduced to 0.06 multiply by remaining concentration of B. So B square is here 0.18 multiply by 0.18. Now you see, if you multiply, it is coming 0.00388 into 10 power minus 6. If you write the inaccurate form of the scientific figure 3.888 into 10 power, this 3-digit shift means 10 power minus 9 mole per liter per second. So this is very simple question, student. You follow step by step process, you will be able to understand. Thank you very much for watching.